Good morning, everybody. We are going to make a delicious yummy ingredients cookie. That's right, and it's easy peasy. All you do is you take cookie dough of your choice, and I'm using chocolate chip. You start with chocolate chip for your base. You can use it in the log form, but just slice it. You're going to use that. And I'm using Reese's Minis to go on top. So you're gonna see how this works. We're gonna cook the dough. Once we cook the dough, we're gonna push something inside just a little bit when it starts to cool and put the mini on top. Delicious, delicious cookie. I'm going to make some of these up for Christmas and just the perfect time of year to have a Christmas cookie. So again, I'm gonna pan you down here, and hopefully I can do it with one hand. We'll see how it's gonna come out. We're coming. Oh, there we go, right there. So here's the pan we're using. You wanna spray the pan. Here is the dough, right here. Itty little bitty pieces of dough. I'm just making sure it's going to be easy for me to get at. I was only going to do a few, but I think I'm going to do the whole pan now. You can freeze these in an airtight container. What you do is just plop it in just like that. Got to start with nice clean hands. And just pop them right in. Then when you put them in the oven, you want to go according to the directions on the back, but just make sure they're till a light golden brown. Just like that. Put a few more here. You'll see a little bit more baking with me right now because it is the holiday, and I will try to bake or cook or do something to try to help everybody out. Just like that. And we need 3 more. Then I'll put this dough away, and I will use this at a later time. I will put it in an airtight Ziploc and then an airtight container to keep the dough nice. And for this one, it tells me to put the oven on 350. So I've got that going now. Oh gosh, I just wished I could eat this. It's so yummy looking. And there you go. You want to use a mini muffin pan. There you have it right there, chocolate chip. How easy that. It's all scored up for you. I'm going to bring you back, and once it's cooled, we're going to the next step. I'm sorry. It must have shut off and I've restarted it. What I did is I took this little tumbler and I poked it down a little. Then I took these little minis and stuck them on top. And what I was thinking is, I don't know if I can open this. I'm getting ready to ice my hand and do exercises, so I've got my brace off. I'm only going to do it to a couple of them and see what happens. Oh, it says shake real well. I'm just going to cover a couple of them just to see. Again, it doesn't say to do it. I'm just doing it. Looks like it's an awful big hole. Whoa! I don't like the way that comes out. I think I'm just going to pour some in here. Boy, it comes liquefied. I didn't know that. Got no control of it. I'm just going to go like this. Like this. And like this. Oh, what the heck. I'm just gonna do this. Here goes Grammy with her twist. I think I got enough. Wow, what a mess that made. Oh well, I'll clean it up. Well, I'm gonna let this cool off and then I'm gonna bring it back and we're gonna have a taste test. Everybody, I have a guest here with me that's going to taste test. I had a hard time getting it out of the pan. It's just me. Here they are. I decided to top them off with the little Jimmies. And the ones that I put the chocolate on, do you want to hold that please for me?
Yes, I do. Up like that? Or?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Yep. I use the Smucker Magic Shell, and I don't know if it's because it was not cold, but it didn't really set up the chocolate. So I'm not sure, but it's on there.
Looks good.
So we're each gonna try one and we're gonna let you know. Now those are the, that's one's got the magic shell and that doesn't. So it's up to you what you want.
This is the one with the Smuckers, right?
Yeah, and this is the plain one. We're each gonna do a test for
This
you.
one, this one. Here we go.
Correct.
Okay.
Very good inside. Very moist. How about yours? Very moist. Very good.
So you use the chocolate chip here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Dough.
So good.
Yep.
Well, thank you, Mr. Taste Tester.
You're welcome.
It's Mr. R. And would you eat these again?
Yes, I would.
Being diabetic, we're not supposed to eat these.
No.
So,
Once in a while.
I'm going to package these up and I'm giving them to my son. So
Lucky
I
him.
hope everybody tries this. This is a quick, easy peasy cookie recipe. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.
Right.